Good morning, students. Welcome to third video of sentence and its kinds. In the last video, we discussed about how to convert assertive to interrogative sentence and interrogative to assertive sentence. Today, we will discuss about conversion rule of affirmative to negative and assertive to exclamatory sentences. Before moving ahead, let's see what are the affirmative and negative sentences. Affirmative first. Affirmative sentences are positive in nature. So, positive I mean the words like no, never, not, these words are not used. So, no negation is there. For example, Ravi loves drinking juice. So, there is no, not, never, such words are not used. So, it is affirmative. Let's proceed to negative now. They are negative in nature, and the words like no, not, never, nothing, nobody are used in the sentence. Ravi does not hate drinking juice. So the word not is used. So it is a negative sentence. Comparing both the sentences, you'll got to know that we have not changed the meaning. So we have to take care of these things that the meaning should not change. Let's see the cases. Move to the case number 1. It says while changing from affirmative to negative, we have to use opposite words. Let's see the examples. The knife is sharp. So, while changing, we have to use the opposite of sharp. So, it would be the knife is not blunt. So, we have used the word not there, and opposite of sharp is blunt. So, this is the way how you need to change the word, right? And you have changed from affirmative to negative. Another sentence. This is impossible. So, we have to use the opposite word of impossible, that is possible. So the answer would be this is not possible. The word not has been used, so it is negative sentence now. You got the idea? So moving to the next case now. Case number 2 says we have to change the degree of comparison. You remember degrees of comparison, right? Positive, comparative and superlative degrees. So let's proceed to the example now. The first, like you have positive sentence and you need to change. So rule is not plus comparative. Example says Ankit is as great as Sham. So while changing, Sham is not greater than Ankit. So great is positive and you have changed to comparative, that is greater, and not has been used. So it's a negative sentence, right? Case 2 says comparative sentence is there and you have to change to negative, so it would be not plus positive. Birbal is wiser than Akbar, and the answer would be Akbar is not so wise as Birbal. Here wiser is comparative in nature, and while changing it we have used the positive sense, that is wise, and not has been used, so it's a negative sentence. Next is superlative degree. If you have the superlative degree in the sentence, you have to change it to no plus positive. Example says Bharat was the strongest king in India. So while changing to the negative part, it would be no one king was as strong as Bharat. So I've changed from superlative to positive. The degrees has been changed, which has led to the negative sentences now. You got the idea? This is the case number 2. Let's proceed to case number 3 now. If we have the words like to in a sentence, they need to be changed to so that. Example, Ravi is too weak to walk. So while changing, we will use as Ravi is so weak that he cannot walk. So to is being changed to so that. Hope you got the idea here, right? Let's see another example. He is too shy to ask for help. And the reply would be, he is so shy that he will not ask for help. So this is a negative sentence. The word to is been replaced by so that to make it into negative sentence. Let's proceed to case number 4, that is double negation. The words like not fail, not without, such things are used to make it into negative sentences. Example, he remembered her. So while changing into these double negation words, it would be he did not fail to remember her. So did not fail is being used here, right? Another example, Joy loved Ria. So answer would be Joy was not without love for Ria. So double negation words have been used here, not without. So these were the 4 cases of changing from a positive to negative sentence, right? Let's proceed to the next one, that is assertive to exclamatory. Assertive tells the information or says the fact and it ends with a period, that is full stop. Sachin is a very great cricketer. So that is an assertive sentence. And now we have to change to exclamatory. Let's see what is it. Remember, we did in the last slides, right? Expresses strong emotions or feelings. So it's an exclamatory sentence and ends with a exclamation mark. Example says, what a great player Sachin is. An exclamation mark is there at the end. So it is a exclamatory sentence. Let's see the conversion part. When we are converting from assertive to exclamatory without changing their meaning, there are 3 steps. Number 1 says, move. We need to move the words till helping verb towards the end of the sentence. If there is no helping verb, we will move the main verb. Step 2. Second number says remove adverb, the words like very, extremely, greatly. So we will remove them. Number 3 step says add. If a or an is there in a sentence, it will change. We will add the word what, and if it's not, we will use how and an exclamation mark at the end. Let's see through an example. We'll go step by step, right? Sachin is a very great cricketer. First step, move towards the end of the sentence. The helping verb needs to be moved. So it will be Sachin is moved at the end. So we are left with a very great cricketer Sachin is. Next step says remove. Remove adverb, that is very over here. So we will remove that. We are left with a great player Sachin is. Last step, add a is been used. So we'll use what. So the complete answer would be what a great player Sachin is with an exclamation mark. Right? Hope you got the idea. 3 step, remember. Let's see another example. This will help you out to sort out all the 3 steps for the changing. He has extremely important exam. So while changing all the 3 steps, it will be how important exam he has. So we have used all the 3 steps. Another example, Ajay reads very slowly. So after taking care of all the 3 steps, how slowly Ajay reads. So all the 3 steps have been used to convert from assertive to exclamatory. Let's see the first case. If you have I wish in a sentence, so you have to replace by oh that. Example says, I wish I had born in a free country. So after replacing I wish, it would be with oh that I had born in a free country. Case number two. There are phrases in a sentence. We'll see the examples. It will be changed to interjections. The first phrase says, it is sad, and the interjection to be used is alas. Example says, it is sad that he failed. So while changing, alas, he failed. Let's see another phrase. It is a matter of joy. So we'll use hooray. Example says, it is a matter of joy that he passed. So after changing, it would be hooray, he passed. It is a matter of praise. It will be changed with bravo. Example, it is a matter of praise that you have done well. So, bravo, you have done well. Yes? So that is all for now. Hope you understand everything well. In the next video, we'll be talking about more on these sentences. Until then, stay home, stay safe.